Currently, Tesla Model 3 vehicles do not natively support Apple CarPlay. Tesla uses its own proprietary infotainment system, making it incompatible with Apple's CarPlay without using third-party workarounds. This video will guide you through how to enable CarPlay using these adapters and screen mirroring techniques. Keep in mind that these methods may carry potential risks, such as voiding warranties or causing software instability, so proceed with caution. Third-party adapters are devices, typically USB or wireless dongles, that bridge the connection between your iPhone and the Tesla's display. They act as a proxy, converting CarPlay signals into a format that the Tesla screen can display. Wired adapters offer lower latency, providing a more responsive experience, while wireless options provide a cable-free setup but may have slight lag. Third-party adapters connect your iPhone to the Tesla Model 3's display using either wired or wireless methods. Wired adapters connect via USB, offering low latency under 100 milliseconds for a responsive experience. Wireless adapters use Wi-Fi or Bluetooth for cable-free convenience, though latency can range from 200 to 500 milliseconds. The latest adapters, such as the updated CarLinkit wireless CarPlay dongle, support seamless wireless connectivity. To install a third-party adapter, plug it into the Tesla Model 3's center console USB port. This creates the connection point for CarPlay functionality. Next, pair the adapter with your iPhone via Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth on your iPhone and connect to the adapter device. Once paired, enable CarPlay mirroring on your iPhone. This will display your iPhone's interface on the Tesla's screen. Ensure your iPhone is running iOS 17 or later for optimal compatibility. Tesla's software version 25.12 introduced minor tweaks that improve compatibility with some adapters by stabilizing HDMI outputs. Tesla screens, like the 15-inch display in the Model 3, support up to 4K resolution for mirroring. However, Apple CarPlay is optimized for 1080p to ensure smooth performance on vehicle displays. For screen mirroring to work, you'll need a stable Wi-Fi connection. This can come from your iPhone's hotspot or the Tesla's built-in Wi-Fi system, ensuring reliable data transfer between devices. However, screen mirroring has limitations. You won't have access to native Tesla controls like climate or navigation, and there are potential data vulnerabilities compared to using dedicated adapters. Adoption of wireless adapters is increasing, with a 40% year-over-year growth in sales since 2024. These devices enable seamless wireless connectivity for CarPlay in Tesla Model 3 vehicles. However, legal battles, such as Tesla suing adapter manufacturers in 2024 and rising privacy concerns under 2025 EU regulations, pose significant challenges to these integrations. While Tesla prioritizes its own ecosystem, with CEO Elon Musk emphasizing the company's AI-driven interface over third-party integrations. Future integration of Android Auto or a hybrid system is possible by 2027-2030. As experts predict, Tesla might adopt such features if user pressure mounts. Open-source communities are driving innovation, developing AI-enhanced adapters that auto-adjust for driving conditions. However, full CarPlay adoption by Tesla remains uncertain due to Elon Musk's preference for Tesla's AI-driven interface.